Welcome to the session 7, Impact of Political Environment on Decision Making in the Organization. In this session, we discuss about impact of political environment on decision making of the business in the organization. So, the learning objective of this session is to learn impact of political environment. After learning of this session, the students will be able to understand the various political environmental factors which will have positive or negative impact on decision making of the businesses, and their effect in businesses is possible through learning this session. First, we move to the meaning of what is political environment. Political environment refers to the influence exerted by legislature, executive, and judiciary. Democracy has these three institutions. These three institutions these three political institutions shape, direct, and control the business activities largely. Legislature decides a specific course of action about a particular matter. After decision of the legislature, executive, it is also called as government, implement whether whatever which is decided by legislature. Here, legislature includes two bodies, parliament and the state assembly. These both are having their specific course of action according to their limit. Then the last home of the political institution is judiciary. Judiciary is the watchdog to see the legislature and executive work in public interest within the boundaries of the constitution. These three bodies of political environment will work within the boundaries of the constitutions. Each and every nation have their own constitutions. So according to the country's constitution and rules and regulation of the constitutions and amendments of the body of constitutions, these three will work, such as legislature, executive, and judiciary. These are all three coordinatively work together to attain the common goals of the society. A typical businessman interacts more with the executive because politics determine the economic and business policies. The two more powerful institutions in the society today are business and government, where they meet on common ground individually or otherwise together to determine public policy both in foreign and domestic for a nation well-being. Here, various factors which are consisting in the political environment, which includes bureaucracy, corruption level, freedom of the press, tariff, trade control, education law, antitrust law, employment law, discrimination law, data protection law, environmental law, health and safety law, competition regulation, regulation and deregulation, taxation policies, government stability and related changes, government involvement in trade unions and agreements, import restrictions on quality and quantity of the product, intellectual property laws such as copyright laws and mm, patent laws, consumer protection and e-commerce laws that are regulate environment, pollution, etc. These are all the various factors which affect the political environment. Among these, the main factors of the political environment on business organization will be discussed in next sections. First one is impact on economy. The political situation of the country affects its economic setting in large extents. The economic environment affects the business performance also through the political interference. For example, there are major differences in democratic and republican policies in the US. This influences factors like taxes and government spending, which ultimately affect the economy in large extent. A greater level of government spending often stimulates the economy in large extent also. Next is changes in regulations. Government could alter their rules and regulations periodically. This could in turn have an effect on the business. For example, after the accounting scandals of the early 21st century, the US sector became more attentive on corporate compliance. The government introduced the Sarbanes-Oxley compliance regulations of 2002. This was a reaction to the social environment. The social environment urged a change to make public compliance more liable. This the certain changes in regulations which will affect the business decisions. Next is political stability. Lack of political stability in a country affect the businesses operations. This is especially true for the companies which operate internationally because stability is very essential for international business and operations. Political stability will play a very important role in internationalization of business because countries will came into mutual understanding in certain global activities such as balance of trade, balance of payment, and export and import policies, etc., will be mutually agreed upon for certain extent. For example, an aggressive takeover could overthrow a government. This could lead to riots, looting, and general disorder in the environment. This disrupt business operations in a large extent. Sri Lanka was in a similar state during a civil war. Egypt and Egypt will face disturbances too also. Next is mitigation of risk. Buying political risk insurance is a way to manage the political risk. Companies that have international operations use such insurances to reduce their risk exposures. There are certain insurances which will have reduced the political risk exposure. There are some indices that give an idea of the risk exposure in certain countries. The Index of Economic Freedom is a good example. It ranks countries based on how politics impacts the business decision thereof. This mitigation risk is also called as transferring risk. Risk will be transferred to the various insured agents. It will also one of the transferring risk factor which play very important role in reducing the risk and reducing the loss of businesses houses in large extent. Tax and economic policies are the other another one factor which influence majorly on economic decision. The increasing or decreasing rate of taxes is a good example of a political component. Government regulations may raise the tax rate for some businesses and can lower the same for other due to the specific reasons. These decisions will directly impact on businesses. This is why maintaining a strategy in which businesses can deal with such situations is very important because certain businesses will have a major impact on certain government policies. So government will have certain restrictions, rules and regulations and levied different tax rate for different businesses. So these taxes are varied according to passage of time and need of the society and their acceptance and rejectness of the business activity. These are all will have major impact on taxation rules and regulations. Next is foreign trade regulations. Every business has a need to expand business operations to other countries because of expansion poli- purpose. However, the political background of the country can influence the desire for a business to expand its operations. With foreign trade regulations, every business have to follow certain rules and regulations before entering into the MNC operation or global operation or otherwise various foreign businesses are also follow certain rules and regulations before entering into other country operations. It will applicable both host country business operations and also home country business operations. Both will have to follow certain foreign trade regulations. Tax policies that are particularly controlled by the government can induce a particular business to expand operations in different regions, whereas other tax policies can hinder the process of business expansion for some industries. For this intents, the government initiatives which have been designed to support local businesses might work against international companies when the question of is their competitiveness in a foreign region also have major impact on the foreign trade regulations. For existence of these foreign trade regulations is to reduce the adverse effect on balance of payments and other trade restrictions and rules of the country. Next is employment laws. Employment law are made to protect the rights of the employees and include every aspect of the employer or employee relationship. Employment law is an aspect that is very complex and involves several pitfalls as well. When businesses are in touch with the latest developments in this law, they can manage to take their business in the right direction. However, those who get it wrong needs to be completely prepared for expensive results it will generate. In modern corporations, employees are almost 98% of the company for the accomplishments of or lack therefore and any changes within employment law will of of course have a great impact on the business operations. So these employment laws are very essential for protecting the interest and rights of the employees. For this, various trade unions are also established. These employees laws also include labor laws, employee protection acts, then health and safety acts, then wages acts, salaries acts, etc. acts will be passed by the government by the time passes. According to this employment laws, companies will provide various necessary benefits to the employees. Otherwise, company will not able to work in effective manner. Minimum wage system, minimum wage law also one of the important law which will see in this political environment. Various labor laws and employment laws will having good impact on the society and well-being of the society. With these laws and rules and regulations, employees work very motivatedly with the good working environment, with the good working condition in the businesses. Otherwise, employees will be neglected by the company or businesses itself. So, government will take various initiatives and necessary steps to protecting the rights and roles of the employees in the business and their importance in the business decisions also very important. Employment laws are very essential for protecting the employees' rights and obligations. Companies will have certain obligations towards employees and also employees have certain obligations or rules and restrictions towards the company. Both are have their own scope and limitations under the government rules and regulations and laws. Each and every person will follow certain employment laws and rules according to the government impositions. Last one is political ideologies of the parties. Commitment of commitment to socialism, capitalism, communism of large industries versus small industries, domestic industries versus small industries, Domestic industries versus multinational corporations are some of the political ideologies of the parties. The priorities of the political parties shift according to their ideologies. For sometimes the Janata Party did not favor the entry of MNCs into our country. Since 1991, the reforms regime set in under the Prime Ministership of late Sri P.V. Narasimha Rao Committee of the Congress Party. After the implementation of new industrial policies, various political ideologies and parties will provide certain rules and regulations to the development of industrial sectors. This new industrial policy 1991 will provide certain guidelines to development of businesses and also interference of LPG means liberalization, privatization, and globalization of businesses. This liberalization, privatization, globalizations will create huge opportunities to the business activities and favored the Indian companies to acquire global perspective and FDI inflows to the country. MNCs are opened up their units in our country also. Through this LPG operations, liberalization will give freedom to enter easy entrance of business and exit of various businesses. Privatizations will gain more importance for large investment activities and through the globalization, MNC operation will activated and more employment opportunities will created worldwide. Through this, unemployment rate will be reduced and standard earning capacity of the people will increased and standard of living of the people also increased. Through this, whole GDP and GNP also increased in the country. And also there are certain balance of trade and balance of payment is balance of payment activities are in good manner. And also there are certain taxes and tax regimes are um, liberalized with these political ideologies. With these political decisions, various businesses will get importance than the prior activities. Here, certain competition regulations also minimized and various tax policies are also liberalized with this LPG activities with the new industrial policies. So, and also export import policies are also get main importance in the society. These are all certain political factors which will have positive impact and also some of these factors will have negative impact in the society. But impact of politics is very essential for social well-being. So with this we can conclude that political environment is very essential for effective operation of the businesses in the society. These policies and government rules and regulations will provide good environment to the business operations which will run successfully without any difficulties. Through this, how we understood about how the political factors and environmental factors will affect positively or negatively.